Please show us where all you've visited so far and what is the water looking like.
We have one which is from the first location in Vikaspuri. The second one is from the Namdhari colony. Then we have the other one which is from the Mayur Vihar area. We will probably be sending the sample so that there's some acknowledgement, because denial is something that we'll not sit with this time.
आप लोग हमसे वोट्स मांगने आते हो और जब हमको जरूरत है कहाँ आते हो, किधर हो आप लोग? Where are you?
पेट खराब तो हो ही रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही हैं, क्योंकि इनमें वही बातें जर्म्स हैं, इतनी ज़्यादा स्मेल है।
मेरे को किडनी की प्रॉब्लम है। पानी हम बाहर से लाते हैं, बाहर से बच्चे आते हैं, वो मेरे को फिल्टर लेकर दे जाते हैं। नहाते नहीं फिर हम, मतलब वो आती है बॉडी से, नहाएंगे गुजारा हो जाएगा, पानी पीने का चाहिए बस।
डर के मारे मोटर ऑन नहीं करते हैं कि गंदा पानी भर जाएगा। लिटरली उसमें छोटे छोटे कीड़े निकलते हैं। गंदे पानी की समस्या है कि लोग आज की डेट में डायरिया से खत्म हो जा रहे हैं।
Documents, witness on ground, and also what you're seeing is evidence, with your own eyes and smelling with your own nose. Everything points towards dirty water, but nobody's listening.
First report we showed, they said that for 2 months they're suffering with the issue. Namdhari colony, they say for 10 months they're suffering with the issue. Mayur Vihar, they also say it's a month-long matter right now. So the fact is that they know this. It's recorded. We got that document, which is the tender document of the Delhi Jal Board in the Namdhari colony, where the acknowledgement is there that yes, water is contaminated and there's an urgency to repair the pipeline. Yet we are being told it will take till March for the repairment to take place. This is one paper that we've accessed, and multiple more online documents on the Delhi Jal Board website show that between the month of October till the month of December alone, 92 samples were actually found to be contaminated. NDMC Vice Chairperson, he's saying that we are sampling it and we don't get a negative report. Yet their own data is saying something else.
You did a very nice thing of collecting the water actually everywhere you go. And you've now sort of put labels on it, right? How big is your basket right now? Please show us where all you've visited so far and what is the water looking like.
3 bottles already collected. We have one which is from the first location in Vikaspuri Assembly constituency. This is Niloti colony. The second one is from the Namdhari colony, which falls under the Moti Nagar Assembly constituency. And then we have the other one, which is from the Mayur Vihar area. So we are collecting these water bottles. Wherever more we go, we will. And yes, Sonal, this is the idea that we put together, that we will probably be sending the sample so that there's some acknowledgement, because denial is something that we'll not sit with this time.
It's a great initiative. Let's collect these waters and let's see what's actually happening in this case. And we'll take that basket, like promised, to the authorities.